Welcome to Researcher Org. In this video, we will see one more product unboxing. That one is a Bosch Ready Series 216 volt Max Vacuum Cleaner. This is a very compact product. I personally use last 6 to 7 years, and every 2 years I'm purchasing the new one. Just today I'm purchasing this one. As usual, my favorite electronic store, Power, based on Copenhagen, Denmark. This product price is 1649 Danish krona. In this video, we will see unboxing, how to assemble this product, afterwards how we use. Let's check it out. It's really compact, so we can fix here easy. And if you want open this one, you just simply press here. This is the 2-in-1. Inside the box we receive magic booklet as well. Now box is empty. We receive one charging adapter as well. So here we receive. So first of all, you need to open this one. Afterward, fix like this. Fix and then screw. Perfect. Now the base section is remaining. So it's very easy. Here the button, and you can fix like this. So that one is a fix. Use and how exactly noise is generating, you can see. Noise is very little. Hope you enjoy this unboxing and review video as well. If you have any question related on this product, you should ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.